Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a collaboration lock. This is an ABUS 83AL-45. It's pinned by Lockpicking Patrolman and Bacardi. So you can see right there. So like you see, it is collaborated. So let's go ahead and look at this keyway, man. It's like you could drive a freaking semi up in that thing. I mean, check out, it's pretty wide. Fits right in there. Anyway, enough messing around. Let's pick this bad boy. And there we go. Sweet. Took a minute, but we got her. So let's go ahead and dig in, shall we? And figure out what we got inside of this thing. Here's my pinning tray. Gonna lock this back up because we have a key. There we go. Get rid of that. Turn this. This way slightly. And there we go. And you can see some nice stuff in there. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got. Nice, double serrated and a standard. Double serrated. Standard. Standard. And a triple serrated. Is it triple? Yep, triple serrated. Nice. And in the core, it looks like we have serrated, serrated and undercut. The third one is undercut. Fourth one is serrated. Fifth one is undercut, and sixth one is serrated. So nice job on that. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got up in the Bible. All right, we have a standard. All right, spool. I think this is one of those chess pieces. I think definitely, because I think that's the checkers one right there. Serrated spool. And serrated spool, it looks like. So, and looks like all of the springs are the same, and it doesn't really look like anything's been done to the Bible. So, again, this is a collaboration lock. Came in from Lockpicking Patrolman and Bill Bacardi. Oops. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.